Hi everyone and welcome to Small Business Finance. In this course we are going to discuss about what are the different legal aspects of setting up a small business. Then we are going to discuss what are the accounting aspects of small business. We are not going to go deep into accounting, we'll briefly discuss that. Then we'll jump on to small business financial analysis, which includes valuation and working capital management. That's the crux of this course. Then we'll discuss ratio analysis and jump on to financial modeling. So most of this course we are going to spend on creating financial models for small business that you can use to raise finance or to run the business. Okay, so let's start. So you have a right to know your instructor. So if you look at my background, I have an MBA in finance. I am a CFA chartered holder. So CFA is Chartered Financial Analyst. It is like CPA but focuses more on investments and investment banking. CFP, I have also CFP, Certified Financial Planning, which is more on personal finance side. Then I have a bachelor's in computer engineering. I'm currently doing my doctorate from University of Calgary, which is based on artificial intelligence and confluence of artificial intelligence and finance. I have over 8 years of working experience as a corporate trainer, senior product manager in banking and financial services sector. I have also found at least two companies. So one is Beatbox. It's a blockchain integration firm that I incorporated in UK, and Edufin Wizard, which is a education consultant based out of Toronto. If you look at my hobbies, I enjoy outdoors like hiking, kayaking, snowshoeing, and cross country skiing, specifically in winter. I'm based out of Calgary right now. So, how is this course going to be taught? So, I would be putting up video recordings of different topics. So, whatever topics we are going to discuss in that week, I'll put up pre recorded videos for that. So, there is no live class in this session, and there is a purpose for it because some of you may be in different time zones, some of you may not be able to attend the class at a particular time. So, instead of requiring you to attend a specific time, I'm going to upload asynchronous videos, that is pre-recorded videos, when we start the week. After watching the videos, you can attend the following synchronous times for questions. You can attend office times on Monday 1 p.m. to 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Monday 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So Monday I have two slots open. So I'll be sharing Zoom links with you. So you can attend on Monday between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. to ask me your questions. Same way you can attend Monday 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. to ask me whatever questions you have regarding the topics we have discussed. You can also attend a time on Friday, that is 10 a.m. to 10:45 p.m. just after your class. These sessions would be hosted using Zoom. Communication with me would prefer if you do all your communications using email, and my email address is hvadalkar@tru.ca. So this course is divided into three parts, and then we'll also discuss the grading part. So part A is Canadian Legal Guide for Small Business. In this, we are going to discuss ways of carrying out business. How can you start doing your business? You can start it as a sole proprietorship, you can start it as a partnership, or you can incorporate a company. Then we'll discuss corporate finance and finance managers introduction. So what is your role when you discuss finances? Then we'll discuss startup issues like choosing a business name, license and permits, how to finance your small business, what is the insurance angle to your small business. We'll discuss that. Then we'll discuss dealing with small business employees and introduction to small business taxation. So how does the tax system in a small business work? On this part A, you have one assignment part 1, which has 15% weight in your course, and I'll be uploading that assignment on Moodle. Then part B is accounting for small business, in which we are going to discuss different accounting entries like journal and ledger. We are not going to go deep into accounting, we'll just briefly discuss it. Then we'll understand depreciation, how do we create assets and how do we charge depreciation on them. Then we'll look at creating financial statements like income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. And on this part B, you have one quiz and one individual case study. Quiz 2, which is based on part 2, is 15% grade, and case study is 10%, which is based on part B. Then part C is the more important part in this course, in which we'll be discussing how to analyze financial statement. How do you do financial statement analysis? Then we'll discuss how to do ratio analysis, what are different financial ratios you should look for, and how to analyze them. Then we'll discuss working capital management, like what is working capital, why is the management of working capital important. Then we'll discuss importance of gross margin for finance. Then we'll discuss the valuation principle, time value of money, how to value a business. Then financial modeling and valuation is like at least for 4 weeks, 10, 11, 12, 13. Week 13 we'll discuss financing of small business. Then you will have quiz 3, which is 20% mark, which is based on part C, and individual case study, which is again based on part C, that has 10% mark. So grading scheme is individual assignment part 1, that is based on part 1, which is 15%. Then quiz, that quiz 1 or 2 you can say, that is based on part 2, that is 15%. Quiz 3, which is based on part 3, which is 20%. Then individual case study, which is based on part 2, 10%. Individual case study, which is based on part 3, 10%. And final exam, 30%. So this course doesn't have books as such, but I'm sharing a link to this short and cheap book. This is a very well written book, and we'll be using it for part A, but it's a good read, so I will recommend you buying this. So so you can click this link. I'll be uploading this PowerPoint. You can click on this link to see which book it is.